What are the instruments required to measure blood pressure by auscultatory methods? So for this we need two instruments. First one is sphygmomanometer and the second one is stethoscope. To record blood pressure we need two instruments, stethoscope and sphygmomanometer. First come to stethoscope. It has two ends, the upper end, the lower end and the connecting tube. Upper end have earpiece, metallic tube, and it is the common connecting tube made up of rubber. The earpiece should lie forward and medially while applying in your ears. It should not be like this. It is very important in exam. Always practice to apply in your ears like this. It is the lower end. Lower end is called chest piece. It is chest piece. This is diaphragm of stetho and it is the bell. In auscultating heart sound or chest or blood pressure, we will use the diaphragm of stetho. Okay. After applying the earpiece in your ears, check here by tapping the diaphragm whether the sound is coming or not, whether the valve is closed or not. It is rotating. Now come to the sphygmomanometer. It is a sphygmomanometer. What are the parts? It is the dial. It is pump which is used to increase the pressure inside the cuff. This one is regulating valve. This way is open, this way is closed. While releasing the pressure, you should be very careful in releasing or opening the valve. In releasing pressure or opening the valve, it should be controlled release of pressure. The valve should be opened very slowly. It should not be very fast because it will hamper your recording of blood pressure. Okay, it should be very slow. It should not be like this or like this. It should be very slow. Controlled release of pressure. Okay. This is called Riva-Rocky cuff. It is the bag, cotton bag. Inside the cotton bag there is a rubber bag which is called Riva-Rocky cuff. This cuff you have to apply over the arm of the subject. Where to apply? It should be applied ½ inch above the medial and lateral epicondyle of humerus. Okay. When you increase the pressure after closing the valve, you will see that the dial will go up. It means it's increasing the pressure. Okay. So you have to increase up to 200 mark. If you have not checked the systolic blood pressure by palpatory method and you are directly examine the blood pressure by auscultatory method, then you have to increase at least up to 200 mm of Hg. So these are your instruments.